Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for a jaw-dropping cosmic adventure. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's simply out of this world: UFOs, extraterrestrial beings, and a congressional hearing that's leaving us all on the edge of our seats. Can you feel the excitement in the air? I sure can. So, here's the scoop, my fellow curious minds. Brace yourselves for some mind-blowing testimonies. We had David Grush, aka the UFO whistleblower, spilling the beans about the government hiding knowledge of alien crafts and intelligent life. Oh, but wait, there's more. Command David Fravor revealed some white tic-tac-like objects defying the laws of physics, zipping from the heavens above to the depths below. And Ryan Graves spotted a colossal red rectangle and square objects locked up in clear spheres. Can you imagine? David Grush, brace yourselves. Folks, the government's been concealing info about alien tech and life forms. It's out of this world, literally. Hold on to your hats, cause we've got some real X-Files material here. Commander David Fravor witnessed some aerial acrobatics that'll leave your jaw hanging. And Ryan Graves, oh boy, he had his eyes on a humongous red rectangle. I'm telling you folks, these sightings aren't your average shooting star. Commander David Fravor, I couldn't believe my eyes. Those tic-tac-like things were pulling stunts I didn't think were possible. Ryan Graves, a ginormous red rectangle. People, it was like a scene from a sci-fi blockbuster. Hold up, it's not all flashing lights and wonder. Our brave witnesses spilled the beans on government cover-ups and silence tactics, threats and hush-hush dealings within the corridors of power. Talk about a sci-fi thriller unfolding right before our eyes. Witness compilation. We're demanding the truth. Transparency is the name of the game. But shush, the government doesn't want us to speak out, alright? Time to put on our thinking caps, folks. We've got 4 possible scenarios on the table. 1. It's all a massive hoax. 2. The government's been hiding ET and his crew for ages. 3. The authorities are just as clueless as we are, which is kinda terrifying, don't you think? And 4. It's all a grand ruse to get that funding without anyone peeking at the books. Talk about a plot twist. Strap in, everyone. The truth's out there, somewhere. But until we find that undeniable evidence, let's keep our wonderment alive and our minds open. After all, who knows what we might discover in this cosmic journey of ours. Phew, what a ride, right? If you've got goosebumps like I do, hit that like button and join us on this captivating exploration of the unknown. Subscribe for more thrilling tales and quirkiness, cause we're just getting started. Remember, folks, whether it's little green men or just some classified government tech, this wild ride is far from over. Stay curious, stay quirky, and most importantly, stay tuned for the next chapter in our cosmic adventure.